Welcome back, Splunk enthusiasts. This video is brought to you by Lame Creations, log analysis made easy, where we help you master the tools and techniques to become a Splunk pro. Welcome to Lame Creations, log analysis made easy. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of Splunk. In this series, we're unlocking the secrets of your Splunk environment. We'll explore authentication attempts, uncover what users are searching for, break down the search commands in use by your analysts, reveal which data sources are being tapped, and navigate through the dashboards everyone's visiting. Buckle up for an insightful journey into your data's heart. Let's get going. This search here is probably one of my favorite searches. I don't think I've ever really seen many people use it, but I have a lot of analysts where I work, and I want to know their skill set because I'm constantly in charge of making sure they're trained, that they're writing efficient queries and things like that. And one of the best ways to know their knowledge is to see what key commands they run. There are certain Splunk commands that are running, and based off what they use, it gives you an idea. If I see a lot of appends or joins, I can tell, okay, well, this person's got the idea that they want to do these collaboration put together data, but they really don't understand the best way of doing it. So I can go reach out and talk to them. Or if I see the same 4 commands over and over again, they're only using stats, search, eval, and sort, maybe they could use a little more training, or even worse, if it's just nothing more than search and table. And so basically what we've got is all the key commands that you run in Splunk. You can pull those out of their search command and give you back a list. And so here I've got my user. I could modify this query slightly and get back per user what the search commands are. So you might have to do some modification to it a little bit. But the concept is I'm putting in my user equals star. You probably should put a username in here unless you're going to do a stats as search commands by user. You're going to need a by user in there. I didn't put it in there because I only have one user. I wasn't thinking about it when I wrote the query. But anyway, we're going to go again to the underscore audit. It's an action of search, a provenance of UI search. You can put this user equals star, put a user equals some user, what the actual user you want to look up, or don't use it at all. It's fine, whatever you want to do. And then I put a table time search app user host. This is just basically here. If you were watching the previous video on seeing what people search, this is what we're using as its fields. And all I've really done is I've added to it. And so I renamed search as actual search. I don't have to do that. I could have just done it here. The problem is the search command doesn't like to be manipulated in other stuff. And so that's why I renamed it here to something else. You'd think you could just put search right here, but depending on the version of Splunk you've got, it may treat this as a build. It may not know what search is, the value, the variable name. So I've just gotten in the habit of just doing pipe rename search to something not named search. And then you're doing a list, and your eval and the commands field actually looks for the commands in actual search, and it brings them back and puts them in a list, and you get back this field called search commands. And then you want to dedupe any of them, because I don't want to see search 15 times if they use search that many times. And so it's just going to give me each one of them uniquely listed, which is done with the MV dedupe because this is a multi-value field. And that's all you have to do. That's the general gist behind it. Let's see it in action. So we've got this. I mentioned that this is doing it by use for a particular user, even though I've got user equals star. So let's actually do this by user. And now I can change my query. With the command by user. And now if I have multiple users, I can get back what each of them are using. Let's write a tstats command here. And we'll just do that. We'll do accelerate. Summaries only equals true. Only search the summary data. We'll run that real quick. I got no results back, but that's all right. If I come over here, I should get a new command in there. Notice now it shows that I use tstats. And so as I start to use new commands, it will update that information. This is a great way of understanding the general knowledge in the commands that your analysts are using. Knowledge is power. Knowing their knowledge will help you be better able to help them become true Splunk ninjas as well. Thanks for tuning in to Lame Creations, log analysis made easy. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest tips, tools, and tutorials to boost your log analysis skills. Want to take it a step further? Become a member to support the channel and gain exclusive early access to videos and exclusive focused training. Join us on Discord where we dive even deeper, share insights, and tackle questions together. Until next time, from Lame Creations, where we help you go from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja.